Will AI take your IT job? It's a question that's on everyone's mind, but the answer might not be what you expect. Imagine walking into your office and seeing an AI system doing half the tasks you used to do. Sounds scary, right? But what if I told you this change could actually open up more doors for you? Here's a fact. Experts predict that by 2030, AI could automate up to 40% of current IT tasks. That's a huge shift. But it's not just about jobs disappearing, it's about new roles, new skills, and new ways to work. Today, we're diving deep into how AI and automation are changing IT hiring. We'll look at what jobs are coming, what skills you'll need, and how you can get ready. If you work in IT or want to, this is a video you can't afford to miss. Let's get started. Let's start with where we are right now. The IT industry is growing faster than ever. Every company, big or small, needs tech talent. But there's a problem. There aren't enough skilled people to fill all the open jobs. Companies are struggling to find the right talent. And the technology keeps changing. Cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science, these fields are always evolving. Now add AI and automation to the mix. Some people see them as threats, but the truth is they're speeding up change and creating new possibilities. AI isn't just about replacing people. It's about making IT teams more efficient and creative. So how will this change the way IT departments are built? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the new roles that are popping up. Have you heard of an AI ethicist? This is someone who makes sure AI systems are fair and safe. Or a prompt engineer? This person helps train AI by designing the questions and instructions it follows. There's also the automation specialist. They set up and manage the systems that handle repetitive tasks. These jobs didn't exist a few years ago, but now companies are hiring for them. And it's not just about new jobs. Existing roles are changing too. Take the project manager. In the past, they tracked tasks and deadlines. Now, they might use AI tools to predict project risks or suggest better ways to work. Or think about data analysts. They used to spend hours cleaning data. Now AI can do that in minutes, so analysts can focus on finding insights and making decisions. The big shift is this. Instead of doing everything by hand, IT pros are moving towards overseeing, improving, and guiding AI systems. It's less about manual work. It's more about making sure the technology is working the way it should. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It not only helps the algorithm, but also tells me to keep creating more content like this for you. And hey, if you know someone in tech who's stressing about AI stealing their job, share this video with them. Let's spread knowledge, not panic. So, what skills will you need in this new world? It's not just about knowing how to code. Yes, programming is still important, but companies are looking for something more. They want people who can think critically. Can you look at a problem and find a smart solution? Can you spot when something doesn't seem right? Creativity is also key. AI can follow instructions, but it can't come up with new ideas the way people can. Problem solving is huge. When something goes wrong, can you figure out why? Data literacy is another must-have. You don't have to be a data scientist, but you should know how to read and understand data. And here's something you might not expect. Understanding AI itself. You don't need to build AI from scratch, but you should know what it can and can't do. And there's one more thing. Ethics. As AI makes more decisions, we need people who can think about what's right and fair. All these skills are becoming non-negotiable. And because technology changes so fast, you have to keep learning. The people who do best are the ones who adapt quickly. They're always picking up new skills and trying new things. And if you're actively preparing for an IT interview or planning to switch roles soon, there's a video I highly recommend. It's packed with smart tips, common questions, and practical tricks that'll help you walk into the interview with confidence. Click the iCard on the top right or find the link in the description below. It's definitely worth a watch. So, how can you get ready for this future? Let's talk about some practical steps. First, look for online courses and certifications. There are platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. You can learn about AI, data analysis, or even ethics in tech. Try to work on real projects. Maybe you can automate a simple task at your job, or join a hackathon. This hands-on experience is what employers want to see. If you're a manager or run a company, think about how you train your team. Offer workshops or bring in experts to teach new skills. Encourage your team to experiment and share what they learn. When hiring, look for people who are curious and willing to learn, not just those who already know everything. And remember, the best results come when people and AI work together. AI can handle the boring stuff. People can focus on big ideas and creative solutions. That's how you get the most out of both. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine a company that used to have a team of IT support staff answering the same questions all day. Now, they use an AI chatbot to handle the simple stuff, but the support team isn't out of a job. Instead, they handle the tough problems the AI can't solve. They also help improve the chatbot by teaching it new answers. The result? Faster service for customers and more interesting work for the team. That's the kind of change we're talking about. So, what should you do next? Start by looking at your current skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Then, think about how AI might change your job. Are there tasks you do that could be automated? If so, what new things could you focus on instead? Set a goal to learn something new this month. Maybe it's a course on AI basics or a workshop on creative problem solving. Talk to your manager about ways to get involved in AI projects at work. And don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. And hey, if you're curious about where IT careers are really headed, what roles are on the rise, what's fading out, and where the best opportunities are, check out this video on top 5 IT job trends. It's linked in the iCard right up here and also in the description below. Let's recap. AI and automation are changing IT hiring, but they're not here to take your job. They're here to help you do more and do it better. The key is to stay curious, keep learning, and be ready to adapt. If you do that, you'll not only survive, you'll thrive. So, what do you think? Are you excited or worried about working with AI? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of tech careers. Remember, the future of IT isn't about humans versus machines. It's about working together to create something amazing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.